This is Koutouloufari, Greece, on the island of Crete. So you can take the bus out of Heraklion Airport for about 25 minutes to a town on the water called Limochesiosos or something like that. And then it's a 1 mile walk up the hill to get to Koutouloufari. Koutouloufari barely has a population of even a few thousand people, and tourism is a bigger part of the industry here than I imagined that it would be. Everything is car rentals and tours and so forth and resort living. Like, look at these people. Nice. I wish my place had a pool. You can see the menu here. The prices are a little more than they would be in Athens because of the tourism element. Like, I just saw ice cream for €3. I had seen it for $2 yesterday in Cyprus. Anyways, put it in the comments. What do you think of Koutouloufari, Crete?